कौन सी दवा दर्द कम करती है? ए. पैरासीटामोल, बी. डायazepam, सी. इंसुलिन, डी. फ्यूरोसमाइड। चेक मार्क आंसर ए. पैरासीटामोल एनर्जेसिक पेन किलर ड्रग है। Q2. फास्टेस्ट रूट ऑफ ड्रग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन। सबसे तेज असर किस रूट से होता है? ए. ऑरल, बी. IM, सी. IV, डी. SC। चेक मार्क आंसर सी. IV डायरेक्ट ब्लड स्ट्रीम में ड्रग जाती है। Q3. ड्रग इंड्यूसिंग स्लीप इज कॉल्ड। नींद लाने वाली दवा को क्या कहते हैं? ए. सेडेटिव, बी. हिप्नोटिक, सी. एनाल्जेसिक, डी. एंटीपायरेटिक। चेक मार्क आंसर बी. हिप्नोटिक। Q4. मॉर्फिन पॉइजनिंग एंटीडोट। मॉर्फिन वश का एंटीडोट क्या है? चेक मार्क आंसर बी. नलोक्सोन ओपियोइड एंटागनिस्ट। Q5. एंटीडोट फॉर वाफरिन। चेक मार्क आंसर डी. विटामिन K helps in blood clotting. Q6. Digoxin obtained from. Check mark answer B. Foxglove digitalis papyria plant. Q7. Drug for hypertension. Check mark answer B. Amlodipine calcium channel blocker. Q8. Bronchodilator drug. Check mark answer A. Salbutamol used in asthma. Q9. Drug for diabetes mellitus. Check mark answer B. Insulin. Q10. Which is an antacid? Check mark answer A. Ranitidine reduces stomach acid. Q11. Vomiting रोकने वाली drug. Check mark answer A. Antiemetic e.g. ondansetron. Q12. Penicillin discovered by. Check mark answer B. Alexander Fleming 1928. Q13. Common side effect of antibiotics. Check mark answer B. Diarrhea. Q14. Loop diuretic. Check mark answer A. Furosemide. Q15. Antipyretic fever reducing drug. Check mark answer A. Ibuprofen. Q16. Anti-TB drug. Check mark answer A. Isoniazid. Q17. Gentamicin side effect. Check mark answer B. Nephrotoxicity. Q18. Anticoagulant drug. Check mark answer A. Heparin. Q19. Antidepressant drug. Check mark answer B. Fluoxetine. Q20. Contraceptive hormone. Check mark answer A. Estrogen plus progesterone. Q21. First antibiotic discovered. Check mark answer penicillin. Q22. Antimalarial drug. Check mark answer chloroquine. Q23. Antiviral drug for HIV. Check mark answer zidovudine AZT. Q24. Drug for fungal infection. Check mark answer fluconazole. Q25. Tetracycline का side effect. Check mark answer tooth discoloration. Q26. Drug used in leprosy. Check mark answer dapsone. Q27. Metronidazole is used for. Check mark answer amoebiasis. Q28. Which antibiotic causes ototoxicity? Check mark answer gentamicin. Q29. Rifampicin का main side effect. Check mark answer red orange urine. Q30. Drug used in syphilis. Check mark answer penicillin G. Q31. Diuretic for hypertension. Check mark answer hydrochlorothiazide. Q32. Drug for angina pectoris. Check mark answer nitroglycerin. Q33. Beta blocker example. Check mark answer propanolol. Q34. ACE inhibitor example. Check mark answer enalapril. Q35. Antidote for heparin. Check mark answer protamine sulfate. Q36. Drug for arrhythmia. Check mark answer amiodarone. Q37. Common side effect of ACE inhibitors. Check mark answer dry cough. Q38. Antihypolipidemic drug. Check mark answer atorvastatin. Q39. Drug used in heart failure. Check mark answer digoxin. Q40. Nitroglycerin का action. Check mark answer vasodilation, blood vessel relax. Q41. Insulin used for which type diabetes? Check mark answer. Type 1 diabetes. Q42. Oral hypoglycemic drug. Check mark answer. Metformin. Q43. Thyroid hormone replacement. Check mark answer. Levothyroxine. Q44. Anti-thyroid drug. Check mark answer. Carbimazole. Q45. Corticosteroid example. Check mark answer. Prednisolone. Q46. Side effect of steroids. Check mark answer. Moon phase, weight gain. Q47. Drug causing hypoglycemia. Check mark answer. Insulin overdose. Q48. Drug for Addison's disease. Check mark answer. Hydrocortisone. Q49. Hormone secreted by pancreas. Check mark answer. Insulin. Q50. Oral contraceptive side effect. Check mark answer. Nausea, weight gain. Q51. Anti-epileptic drug. Check mark answer. Phenytoin. Q52. Drug for Parkinson's disease. Check mark answer. Levodopa. Q53. Antipsychotic example. Check mark answer. Haloperidol. Q54. Sedative drug example. Check mark answer. Diazepam. Q55. Drug for anxiety. Check mark answer. Alprazolam. Q56. Drug for insomnia. Check mark answer. Zolpidem. Q57. Drug for schizophrenia. Check mark answer. Clozapine. Q58. Side effect of antipsychotic drugs. Check mark answer. Tremors, extrapyramidal symptoms. Q59. Local anesthetic example. Check mark answer. Lidocaine. Q60. General anesthetic example. Check mark answer. Thiopentone sodium. Q61. Drug for asthma. Check mark answer. Salbutamol. Q62. Corticosteroid inhaler example. Check mark answer. Beclomethasone. Q63. Drug for cough suppression. Check mark answer. Codeine. Q64. Expectorant drug. Check mark answer. Guaifenesin. Q65. Drug for allergic rhinitis. Check mark answer. Cetirizine. Q66. Drug causing drowsiness. Check mark answer. Antihistamines. Q67. Antihistamine example. Check mark answer. Chlorpheniramine. Q68. Leukotriene inhibitor. Check mark answer. Montelukast. Q69. Mucolytic drug example. Check mark answer. Acetylcysteine. Q70. Nasal decongestant. Check mark answer. Oxymetazoline. Q71. Laxative drug example. Check mark answer. Lactulose. Q72. Antidiarrheal drug example. Check mark answer. Loperamide. Q73. Proton pump inhibitor. Check mark answer. Omeprazole. Q74. H2 blocker drug. Check mark answer. Ranitidine. Q75. Antiemetic example. Check mark answer. Metoclopramide. Q76. Antacid example. Check mark answer. Magnesium hydroxide. Q77. Drug used for ulcer treatment. Check mark answer. Citralfate. Q78. Drug causing constipation. Check mark answer. Iron supplements. Q79. Drug for flatulence. Check mark answer. Simethicone. Q80. Oral rehydration solution use. Check mark answer. Prevent dehydration in diarrhea. Q81. Anti-cancer drug example. Check mark answer. Methotrexate. Q82. Immunosuppressant drug. Check mark answer. Cyclosporine. Q83. Vaccine prevents disease by. Check mark answer. Stimulating antibody production. Q84. Drug for gout. Check mark answer. Allopurinol. Q85. Drug for rheumatoid arthritis. Check mark answer. Methotrexate. Q86. Iron supplement used for. Check mark answer. Anemia. Q87. Folic acid deficiency leads to. Check mark answer. Megaloblastic anemia. Q88. Vitamin C deficiency causes. Check mark answer. Scurvy. Q89. Vitamin D deficiency causes. Checkmark answer. Rickets. Q90. Vitamin B12 deficiency causes. Checkmark answer. Pernicious anemia. Q91. Drug dose depends on. Checkmark answer. Age, weight, and disease condition. Q92. Main purpose of pharmacology. Checkmark answer. Study of drugs and their actions. Q93. Half-life of drug means. Checkmark answer. Time taken for 50% drug elimination. Q94. Toxic effect of drug means. Checkmark answer. Harmful or poisonous effect. Q95. Teratogenic drug means. Checkmark answer. Causes fetal abnormalities. Q96. Example of teratogenic drug. Checkmark answer. Thalidomide. Q97. Place where drug metabolism occurs. Checkmark answer. Liver. Q98. Drug excretion organ. Checkmark answer. Kidney. Q99. Nursing responsibility before giving drug. Checkmark answer. Check patient name, dose, and expiry date. Q100. 10 rights of drug administration include. Checkmark answer. Right patient, drug, dose, route, time, documentation, reason, education, evaluation. Refusal.